If you have a cough or cold, you can relieve your symptoms with over-the-counter medication. But you can't do that with babies or toddlers. Instead, try these natural home remedies for baby coughs. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss topics related to food, health and healthy lifestyle. Here are some easy and effective baby home remedies. However, if their condition worsens or the home remedy fails, it's important to talk to a doctor right away. To keep a baby hydrated, offer clear fluids like water, breast milk, or formula. This can help thin mucus and make coughing easier for the baby. A humidifier in the baby's room can also help to add moisture to the air, which can help to loosen mucus and make coughing easier for the baby. This can also be used to relieve a dry or irritated throat. Placing the baby in a steamy bathroom can also be beneficial because the steam can help to clear the airways and make coughing up mucus easier for the baby. Giving the baby a gentle massage on the chest and back can also help loosen mucus and make coughing easier. Using a nasal aspirator to clear mucus from the baby's nose can also be beneficial, making it easier for the baby to breathe and lowering the risk of infection. Giving the baby small, frequent feedings can help to keep their airway open and make it easier for them to breathe. It is important to avoid smoking or exposing the baby to secondhand smoke because it can irritate their airways and worsen their cough. If recommended by a pediatrician, trying over-the-counter infant cough medicine can also be helpful in relieving the baby's cough. Give your baby a lukewarm sponge bath to cool down their temperature and comfort them. Use warm water rather than cold or ice. Rest is important. Clear out mucus before bedtime to help your baby sleep well and boost their immune system. Give them cuddles to ease discomfort. Chicken soup can help with inflammation and congestion. If your baby is just starting out on solid foods, blend the soup or use only the broth. Honey can calm a nighttime cough in children over a year old. However, it is not recommended for babies under 1 year old as it can cause botulism. Every baby is different. Be sure to consult with a healthcare provider about your circumstances if you have any questions about cough or any other symptoms. Thanks for watching. We upload new videos every week about food, health and healthy lifestyle. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications when I post new videos.